Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Howell, and welcome to my course, PowerShell Playbook, Automating Active Directory. I'm an automation consultant at my own company, Howell IT, where I specialize in PowerShell automation, and I also produce content for companies like TechSnips and Pluralsight on the side. Now, I know that managing Active Directory is a hassle, even if you just have a few dozen users, and it's a pain with a few hundred, and it can be an absolute nightmare with a few thousand. And this is where you should take the time to learn how to build your own tools in PowerShell to not only make your job easier, but to look cool while doing it. Some of the major topics that we will cover in this course include automating the user lifecycle in Active Directory. And this topic is a majority of the course, but it includes a huge amount of demonstration about things like creating users, managing users, normalizing their attributes, offboarding them, preparing them for the cloud, and this is all done through PowerShell. The next topic is generating reports on data in Active Directory. And by reports, I'm talking about shareable reports, such as group memberships or contact lists, as well as reporting on the source of bad passwords and account lockouts. And if you're like me, you probably want to be able to share all of these cool tools with folks who may not be as familiar with PowerShell, so I'll go over how you can make your scripts approachable. By the end of this course, you will no longer be shackled by the GUI while you are managing your Active Directory users. In fact, you can just plan on letting it gather dust while you extol the virtues of PowerShell to all of your colleagues. Because once you start, you just can't stop automating. So I sincerely hope that you'll join me on this journey to learn how to automate Active Directory with the PowerShell Playbook Automating Active Directory course here at Pluralsight.